Let's also now take a quick look as to how the markets in fact performed over this week after the best month for global stocks since the financial crisis. The bull run, of course, extended into the first trading day of December. The MSCI's Global Stock Index rose on Friday, recording its sixth consecutive week of gains. The global mega-cap companies' market capitalizations, driven by leading technology firms, surged in November. That is largely due to a decline in the US yields on bets of rate cuts by global central banks amidst waning inflation. Apple's market worth increased by 11% to $2.95 trillion, while Microsoft's capitalization rose by 12.1% to a record $2.8 trillion in market capitalization, following the report of a 206% year-on-year sales gain to $18.1 billion in the September quarter. Nvidia's market value has jumped by nearly 15% to $1.15 trillion. The stock market volatility fell to pre-pandemic levels. A broad rally on Wall Street led the Standard & Poor's 500 index to one of its best November gains in a century. December began with gains for European stocks. They continued a run-up that increased the market value of the European Stoxx 600 by $1.2 trillion in November. The European stocks, in fact, marked their strongest advance since January last month on optimism around easing inflation and also a peak in interest rates. Now, India's Nifty 50 index hit an all-time high and posted its best week in over 5 months. The Indian stocks in all 13 major sectors logged gains for the week. The more domestically focused small and mid-caps extended their outperformance over the blue chips, but the state assembly election results that are due on the 3rd of December could trigger near-term volatility in the markets. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.